Okay, so I bought a 3D printer from Takealot. This box here is for the Creality. It's the Halot 1. I made sure that I buy an extra pair of gloves and also another resin as well, which should be the water soluble one, because we have a resin printer here. This is currently the bundle, so that means that it comes with some extra things. I think it's like an extra resin at the back. But then it also should have a scraper, a wooden one and a steel one, but we'll see if that is there. So let me just open it up and let's explore. I feel like a scissor would do a better job than this. Let's take this out. So I'll put these ones on the side so long. But what's gonna come after that? Cool, we made it. So we have this 3D printer curable resin, and it's coming from Creality. It's like an auto one, and they didn't even specify the colors that we have here, but you're gonna see this is like feels like it was opened before, looks like it. This is coming from Takealot, but I'm just gonna open it and see what do we have there. One thing about this thing, since it's resin printing, we just have to be super careful about what we do. Out of the box, we have this really big jug. Looks like a 1 kg. So a 1 kg water soluble resin, so which is the stuff I like. So it's really nice that they had it packaged here, and because it's water soluble, that means then we don't need acetone or any other acid in order to be able to cure it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this to the side. Put this to the side. Then I'm gonna move on to the B-Boy, which is the main printer. So here, like I said, it should be a bundle, so we're expecting more things other than the printer. But this should have been placed this way. The box itself, bit bent, I guess from the shipping. The hope is that there is extra packaging on the side. But this is what we have. It's the Creality Halot 1. Creality Halot 1 comes as a bundle. Just gonna open it up now. Okay. Feels like I can just pull it off using the plastic bag, but that might be risky, but I'm gonna do it either way. Oh. So the first thing which came out is the top. Just gonna place it on the side here. Whatever this is as well. And then I'm gonna move this one. This struggle. get it out. Okay, we made it. So this is actual printer itself. So what I have, like I mentioned, that this will come with some things out of the box. So I'm just gonna take pieces to the side. Take this out. Okay. Just take the plastic out. Take the boxes, everything out. And then we're left with just one foam bar, which is the one in the bottom. So I'm gonna just lift up this printer to bring it close. It's like a small boy for a printer. Just put it aside. So with the purchase of this printer, this is what you get automatically. You get the printer itself, which is the resin printer. And then you get the resin. That's the fume box or the hood box. So that will cover up the printer once you're printing. So everything will, because this is a resin printer. So you pour the resin here. And then there's light which is emitted from the printer itself, which is gonna solidify your item, and then you'll move up. That there will just cover up. We have a glass here which is clear and it just shines up light from there. So this is coming from Takealot. This is currently it's at a special, so but I'll put a link to everything in the description for you to see. Okay, so let's just open the other box that I have. Come on now. Okay. Just packaging. I got these, which are nitrile black gloves. So this is mainly for the actual handling of the resin. So if you don't want to touch it with your hands, you want to be using like some kind of gloves. So this is what it is, and currently they're 100 on the actual unit. So I'll see if I can just get like an acid resistant glove instead of getting like the mini gloves. So everything is standard here. And then I also got a extra resin. So open this up. So this one should be a smaller resin than that other one. So this is a 500 gram, and all of them, these look like they've been opened before, but like when you look at them, they're sealed. So either they are sticky. It's made from China. I mean, the print is made from China as well. So I'm just gonna open it up. So we should see something similar to what we have there, which is another resin bottle. But then this one is like a smaller one. And this is a different color to what I have there. So if you see here, so we have the color gray, and I'll probably put something on the video just to show you how the color gray, how does the item look if you print it in gray, and how does it look if you print it in white, which is white here. Both of them are water washable resin, so that means then you don't need any acid. It's really nice. Also, I need to check how many boats or test items can you print with 500 gram and how many can you print with 100 gram. But it's nice that they have it here. So one of the other things which came here, I was expecting actually more things than what is here. So this is just a simple power plug cable. You get these Allen keys to tighten or untighten the resin. Get a USB. So this USB should have a test file already in it. So, but I'll create another video whereby I show you like the first video whereby I'm testing it out. So, but this is the USB that they give for free. But I mean, I guess these things are like super cheap right now, so it didn't cost them anything. So you got a stainless steel scraper. So that's one thing which I think we might have to change here, because this will just leave scuff marks on the glass. So we prefer to have like a plastic scraper. So I'm just gonna see if I can get one from the stores. This is just to scrape off, once you print, just scrape off whatever you printed. But you still need one for the screen as well once you finish printing. So, but I'll show you, there'll be a video for that, whereby I'm showing you what I mean by cleaning the screen. We get this funnel. This is more to collect the resin, and they give you multiple of them. Might be, so it's just to whichever excess resin is left there. We use this thing to funnel out. That's like paper and it's limited, finite. So it might be worth it to get one from the store, which is like also maybe plastic, but then it still has the same ability to filter. And then what you also get is a sticker pack. It's like really cool that they give you this. I'm a maker, Creality. Okay, cool. We'll get you. Okay, it's like a iPhone style, even though like iPhone doesn't do this anymore. Then what else you get here is the actual, it's like actually bent. Like, why is it bent like this? Look. It's like someone was like, break it. But everything looks fine, but I'm gonna just check. They give you like, this is just for the instructions. Oh, this is actually important. This film right here, this is actually, you can use it to level the printer. There are other information about this. This has Wi-Fi capabilities, so you can actually connect it to your computer and print from your computer without needing the USB. This is what I called for the leveling platform. Some people just use the book for that. So we have all the dimensions, including this 5-inch screen here. We have a qualified certificate thingy. Okay. So yeah, there are more information about it, and they're using different languages, which is nice. It makes the book quite big, but it's quite like just repetitive the same thing. So this could have been a single page, and then they save all this paper, but it's just like different languages. And the menu, then at the end is Chinese. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Creality Halot 1 resin printer. So I'll do another video whereby I'm actually uploading a test file and printing it using the resin. Probably will start with the smaller. Maybe I can do the clear one, but depends on the part. I'll upload another video. Things to buy: you have to buy a like wooden or plastic spatula. I'd recommend as well. We'll see if we can get filters, which are, because this you get like, what is that, 4 or 5 filters out of the box, and then I'm not sure if you can reuse them because this looks flimsy and plastic and papery, so most probably might have to get another one here. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, if you're looking forward to the video whereby I print out items on this one, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, y'all.